Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you about problem when your iPhone failed to update, so how you can fix it. So first thing, let's try to update your phone. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find software update. Just wait until it will check for updates, and now if you have available updates you will see here it, and you will see download and install. So just tap on download and install and it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And if you have problems with it, just check your connection, because you need to know that it just download this update, so you need to have internet. So just check if you have Wi-Fi or if you're using cellular data. If you turn on cellular data, also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So just restore your network. And if it doesn't help you, just try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. So after, just go to the general and just try to update your phone again. So I hope that it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.